Yeah, it snowed last night. And did it ever snow? It went from being a green Christmas to a very white New Year's. Oh well, I guess it's going to be moving snow today somehow. Yeah, there you are. The quiet of a brand new snowfall overnight here. Amazing how quiet it is in the mornings. But I'll change that. I got snow blowers. We'll get out there after a while and get it out of the way. Yeah, there you go. That thing there should change the look of the deck. It's snow right up to the top of the world there. Yeah, I had a couple of false starts, but got it going now. The the thing blew the fuse. Very first thing into the deep snow over there. And then once it got warmed up to the idea, it started going all right. Looks like there's quite a bit of snow out there, at least a foot or so. Looks like the pond is still... This is the latest I've ever had the pond go. It's December 3rd, I think. Sunday. Friday was the 1st. Saturday 2nd. December 3rd today is Sunday, yep. And it looks like it's pretty peaceful out here. We'll get the tractor out and make a change to that. Quite a bit of snow on the roof up here. That'll all come down here, which is already here, quite a bit of it. The big pile of it came down right off of that, right there. But this stuff, this side here, has got to come down yet. Well, we'll see what happens. Yeah, getting it mostly down now. Just a pile in front of the door left to do. Then I got to sort of go over it again where I've blown snow onto cleared areas. But we'll get it done. Bernie just doesn't know what to make of all this deep snow. Hasn't seen it since last winter. I'm pretty sure he doesn't remember. And the fountain's still going. Pretty soon I'll have to shut that off. Let it freeze over for the winter. But for now, it's fine. Now, a little bit of snow on the... There's a car underneath there somewhere. A little bit of snow on that. And let's take a look out here. It's a snowy day out here. Puppies love new snow. Either that or they don't know any better. Sounds like snowplow's coming up the road. Looks like it's been up there. I took the doggies out for a walk last evening and it hasn't snowed much since then because all of the... So at about 10 o'clock I took the doggies out for a walk. And there's the trail that they went up yesterday. And it looks like it's still fairly clear. Nobody's moved out here yet. Guess they're all waiting for the snowblower to come by, which would be me. Anyway, get at it. Yeah, there we go, it's running. See how it does for the first time out. Had a... Oh, not a propane. I had a fluid leak around the back end a while ago, but I can't seem to track it down, but maybe it'll show up again today and see what it is. There now, we've all seen this before. Snow coming out the blower. All cleared off. There's a lot of blowing out here. Looks like about, about a foot of snow. That'd be 30 centimeters, 25, 30 centimeters. Nice and fluffy, so it doesn't take long to blow it off. Yeah, here I am. Snowblower guy. Yeah, there we have it. Another snowstorm looked after. Now I might take a walk down to the beach later on here. Right now it's Time to go in and get warmed up and say hi to the dogs. I guess I gotta go and turn off my car. I left it running over there. But lots of snow came down. I still have to do the back deck. There's a couple of doggies there. They just want to get off the deck. I don't blame them. I have to go looking for one doggie's leash that fell off my pocket, out of my pocket in the woods out there. There, well, doggy one and doggy two. Wondering what to do. Hey, there was lots of snow here, but mostly gone. See if I did any damage. Yeah, a little bit of damage. Whoops. Got a bit close to the deck board with the machine. Got a bit close to those Christmas lights with the machine too. Oh well. I didn't blow much snow into the pond. I don't like to do that because it's tough on the fish. The fish have a tough enough time already. But we got it all cleaned out. Cleaned it out to the road out there. And then we cleaned it out down to the neighbor's cottage down that way, and we went and we cleaned out down to the neighbor's house down there. Just as far as you can see is about where I got to. There you have it. Bye. That's all for now.